Hello. Hi. Okay, here's what I'd like you to do today. What I'd like you to do is this test right here. It's a test on evaporation, condensation, the things that we've been working on. I would like to see that you understand about molecules when it comes to changing the states from solid, liquid, and gas, from ice to water vapor, as it evaporates from water and liquid. That's what I'd like you to do for today. That would be it. But I also want you to go back and make sure you have your assignments finished. Make sure if you turn something in, you actually did the assignment. Make sure that you have all of those assignments done for science. I'm going through them all constantly. I have a lot to do with different assignments, different classes. So if they're not checked right now, I'm getting to them. But you need to get them done. There are a lot of missing ones and a lot of them done. So if you're one with some missing ones, get them done. Okay? All right. And this right here is the test. All you have to do is click on it and then take the test. Take your time and do your best. See you later. Bye.